With you guys to show you kind of how similar you are to Donald Trump and how you need to stop by playing a game called Who Said It? Donald Trump or SANALIST? We're gonna put up quotes, okay? Some of the words have been changed. Like if a quote said SANA, we changed it because we don't want you to know. And you guys yell out, we'll read the quote, and then you yell out whether you think Donald Trump said it or SANALIST, okay? Easy enough.
This leader and his stooges are followers of Bill Cosby.
SANALIST.
That is correct.
I believe you are an abusive parent of this community. You need rehab. Then you will realize how much you have abused this community. So we are Bill Cosby followers and we're abusers.
The beauty of me is that I'm very rich.
That is Trump. Unfortunately, not all of us are very rich. That's okay. His company is wonderful, comprised of filthy pigs and smelly crocodiles. Yeah, only you guys would say that.
I don't believe she is passionate about education or poverty. Her aim is to get attention, name, and fame, and bind her front row seat and VIP hospitality.
Yeah, y'all know who would be anti-women. Look at that. I'm kidding. You guys.
It's pretty true.
The only card she has is the woman's card. She's got nothing else to offer, and frankly, if she was a man, she would not be successful.
How similar was that to the last quote, though?
Okay, so.
I was really shocked to see such language from you, ma'am. I'm not sure if it's because of the recent rise in thermal temperature in the season.
Oh, God.
You guys are ashamed. You don't want to say who said it.
Who said it?
Donald
It was SANALIST.
Donald Trump?
SANALIST.
SANALIST. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Auntie, here's the thing. We'll circulate the PowerPoint. Go search these quotes, and you'll see who said each and everything.
There you go.
Look, I wanted to use their names, but my mom said no. My IQ is one of the highest. You all know it. Please don't feel stupid or insecure. It's not your fault.
Donald Trump.
Who said it? Okay, this one doesn't make any sense. His article is like hot and sour soup. It is an injustice.
Are you sure?
That could be Trump. Who is it? Sana. Okay, that was Sana.
That was Sana. So we don't like hot and sour soup either as an organization. It is beyond the scope to blame dumb, imposed, inducted president and his monkey-minded co-workers. I will personally talk to any of you who think I am monkey-minded. And I'm not going to say it in front of my mom, but we will talk privately.
Our great president hasn't exactly had a positive impact on the thugs who are so happily and openly destroying this place.
No, that was Donald Trump. Oh. But it's funny you guys think you're bad enough to say that.
We can beat Donald Trump anytime.
Why are we forced to put up with 5 or 6 mentally deranged people? Sana, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like...
Sounds like Trump.
It's true.
That quote, like, I don't disagree with it, but it's not that.
Number one, I have great respect for women. I was the one that really broke the glass ceiling on behalf of women, more than anybody here.
Donald Trump.
That was Trump.
Because we know in Sana, only the women can break that glass ceiling. These guys have brought a lot of values with them, including the worst ones like lies and honor killings. No, that was you guys.
That was
SANALIST.
Honor killers. Yeah.
Keep in mind, we the youth have read these. We the youth have seen you guys acting like this. This is the role models you are acting like for us. Just keep that in
All right. See, that's the thing. Jokes like that aren't funny, though, right? That's problematic. All right. These expenses are paid for by somebody in Pakistan. This could be dirty money, black money, drug money, or even terror money by some agencies? That is SANALIST.
Yeah.
Terrorism, not funny.
Accusing us of being linked to terror. So just, you can laugh about it, but this is not a joke. So, I'm going to talk about these quotes a little bit. Again, my name is Suneed, Shaikh. Thank you all for attending this. So again, these quotes can be, they can be funny when taken out of context, but the repercussions of these quotes are much bigger than you would think. SANALIST is a compilation of all the emails of people that attend SANA. Is it not happening?
Hero.
Hello. All right. Okay, so I'll start over. These quotes can be funny when taken out of context. We're all laughing about them right now, but they have much bigger repercussions than we might think. So SANALIST is a compilation of all the emails of people that attend SANA. There are youth, men, women, elderly people. There are past members of SANA still on this list that don't attend SANA anymore. Okay, so this is a public forum that we are supposed to use to conduct professional conversations to lead to progress in SANA. Clearly, there has been no professionalism on SANALIST in the past couple of years, okay? Professionalism and respect go a long way in conveying messages. The people that are saying these things on SANALIST are trying to convey a message, but are not successful in doing so. When being unprofessional, you are only insulting people and making them feel